Hello and welcome everybody, J-Man here back for some more reactions. So we are at the point where we are venturing into new territory. We've pretty much completed my circle of going through the Nightwish discography, all the concert stuff that we're gonna do for now. And we're moving on now to my Your Suggestions Here video and the comments in there. So I had started yesterday kind of going through comments and putting together a list, and apparently I was doing it completely wrong. I wasn't paying attention to the thumbs up on comments, which obviously makes sense. That makes it easier for me. So for those of you that are doing that, are thumbs upping the comments or the suggestions by other people, please continue to do that. That makes it so much easier for me, rather than have to go through and pull, okay, here are 10 different comments about this same song, sort of thing. So we went back and we recorrected that, and we've got ourselves a set of 5 songs that we're going to react to. So these were the most highly rated comments in my Your Suggestions Here video. And we're going to be starting the day off with Wintersun, Sons of Winter and Stars. And this is the live rehearsal at Sonic Pump Studios version. So I'm definitely looking forward to this. I've heard Wintersun talked about a number of times. So definitely can't wait to hear this. Looking forward to it. Yeah, so I hope everybody's having a good weekend out there. Hope you're finding ways to enjoy your time with all of the COVID stuff that's going on and stuff like that. Yeah, thanks for watching YouTube. Twitch, thanks for hanging out with me, keeping me straight, making me laugh, doing all the things while we're sitting here. So anyways, let's go ahead. Let's jump on in. Wintersun, Sons of Winter and Stars. Let's get it. Let's get it. Don't know why my spacebar didn't work. There's Kai. Flare from Kai. Machine Gun Kai back there. 14 minutes. Holy crap. Didn't notice that. Alright. I don't understand why my keyboard shortcuts aren't working. Alright, so since we got 14 minutes, yeah, let's go ahead and kind of stop almost halfway here. So, yeah, I mean, definitely instrumentally, these guys are obviously killing it. You know, a couple of places there where there was some really cool bass riffs, some good lead guitar riffs. Kai's obviously going to town back there on the kit. Yeah, I saw a couple of comments. Yeah, vocally, not really my style. When the guy was actually in a more normal singing voice, it was more okay. But yeah, overall, this is definitely not something I would probably put on repeat on my playlist or anything like that. It's more in that kind of speed metal-y, kind of thrash metal sort of genre, with the harsh kind of growly vocals, which is not something, like I said, to add it in for effect here and there. I like that. But when that's like the primary vocalization on the song, not a big fan of that kind of a thing. And this guy's particular place that he's in with his growl, yeah, it's pretty clean, it's pretty smooth. Not that I don't like the vocal that he's doing, but yeah, so far it's just kind of meh for me. Yeah, like I said, definitely cool. Not something I would probably have on my playlist so far. I hear we're gonna get a little bit of a change, something a little different in the second half here, so we'll see. But yeah, so far, like I said, again, obviously, yeah, musician wise, the guys are killing it. They do sound tight, they do sound clean. Kai's really back there working like a freaking typewriter on steroids. I mean, he's just, yeah, he's a busy man back there on the kit for sure, and sounding good. So yeah, instrumentally, the guys are definitely tight, definitely killing it there. Just not something so far that's really up my alley. So let's go ahead. Let's back it up just a smidge and keep on going. Why is the pause button not working? Or the space bar?
I'm wondering now, where will you take me from the rise?
Get you a drink, Kai.
The light comes alive. When to the mountains high we set our way, will we find our way in these long winter nights? I see the light of fading sun and rising mountains, and I finally feel that I found my home.
I like his tone here.
But oh, it feels so cold when my dreams wither in fragments of time, revealing that this land will die. Falling snow, so soft and cold, die, oh, cast down, so weak, frozen link, the dancing spirits calling me to join in the cosmic train. Silence is saying to me now, we are the sons of winter and stars. We've come from afar beyond time. Forever the fire burns in our hearts. Our world shall never die. With the arms of the wind we ride till
Watch you, hello.
the waves of the ocean cry so strong. We wander in the stars until we're gone. Our fate is sealed by eternal sun. Sons of winter and stars, we've come from afar
All right. I'm assuming I'm not missing anything, but like, yeah, exit credits and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, I found myself mostly there kind of trying to pick out Kai's drums. Kai was freaking working it back there on the drums, man. I tell you what, sweating up a storm. Yeah, Kai was definitely killing it on the drums. I liked the last half. I liked the chorus. The chorus was very melodic. I liked the vocals on the chorus. There was a beat that I could actually groove to while they were in the chorus parts. The verse parts definitely kind of lost me. I mean, just not my style. You know, I'm picky about my metal. I'm quite picky about my metal. I like heavy stuff, but I like it groovy. I don't like it fast. I don't like that super fast beat. I mean, to me, honestly, in the verses parts, it really was just kind of like a lot of noise to me. And you know, that's the kind of comment you'll get from people that don't listen to metal or heavy metal or rock or whatever. And I'm not meaning it in the same way that they mean it. It's all so fast. I can't pick out, you know, individual notes or I can't pick out a rhythm. So it's like I can't even really like headbang to it or groove to it. It's just kind of, it's super fast. And I'm not taking away from the band's skill and people that are fans of Wintersun, you know, hey, I get it. I mean, this type of music is very popular, and I'm not discrediting anybody's opinion on Wintersun or this flavor of metal at all. It's just not my personal taste. It's not something that I would put onto my playlist. You know, if I were to hear it at a party or something, there definitely would be parts I'd be like, oh yeah, this is cool, I like this. But then there'd be other parts where I'd be tuning it out and doing my own thing or whatever. So yeah, it's like I said, to me, definitely it was cool hearing Kai. You know, somebody had said you can get a feel for Ty's technical abilities in this, and you definitely could. I mean, Kai was working his ass off back there on the drums. So yeah, you know, like I said, overall there were parts of it that I dug. The back half, the chorus of the back half, I liked that, had a good groove to it. Some really actually kind of cool vocals. There was that sort of a cappella part with just like some symphonic stuff going on in the background. The guys did really good on that vocally, I thought. So yeah, little bits and pieces that I picked out of there that sounded really cool that I could dig. But overall, I would probably give it just a thumbs down from the perspective of it's not something I would put on my playlist. So all right, well there we go. That was Wintersun, Sons of Winter and Stars. First song digging into the non-Nightwish stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you're having a good weekend. We'll be back with a few more reactions for the day. This is number 1 of 5 that we're going to do for the day. So yeah, we will catch you all later. Everybody be good. Peace.